I'm excited to share a simple yet powerful health hack that can potentially help your overall skin health and vibrancy. And that is mouth taping. If you're someone like myself who used to breathe with your mouth open or snore at night, using a small piece of medical mouth tape can help promote the correct way of sleeping at night, which is through our nose. See, if you think about it, we spend a third of our lives asleep. There's no habit that we spend more time doing. And if you're doing it wrong, day after day, year after year, it can compound to have a really negative impact on your overall skin and bodily health. And when it comes to your skin, there's two particular issues that mouth breathing potentially cause. One is it can make you more dehydrated. When we breathe through our mouths versus through our nose, we release more moisture, and this can cause our skin over time to become more dry and dull looking. Number two, when we breathe through our mouths and not through our nose, we don't get the opportunity to produce this important molecule called nitric oxide that we partly produce through our nose when we breathe. And nitric oxide is important for blood circulation. This blood circulation helps bring oxygen and create nutrient-rich blood for our entire body and then for our skin as well. So by using a small piece of medical mouth tape over our mouth just before going to bed helps promote nasal breathing versus mouth breathing, which then addresses these two particular issues that we were talking about. But like all medical issues, there are various complexities, environmental and personal, that can play a factor. And on top of it, if you're somebody with a severe nasal passage issue or severe sleep apnea issue, medical mouth tape may not be for you. But for many of us, this isn't the case. And giving a piece of medical mouth tape a try for a couple weeks or a month can be a really simple, affordable way to try to fix these issues. If you do, I'd love to hear about it. Please leave a comment in the video and let me know how it goes.